Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to blanch a tomato. All you do is you just take a whole tomato and you stick it in the water and you just leave it in that hot water that's boiling for 30 to 60 seconds. And then you turn around and you pull them out. And once you pull them out, you put them into an ice bath, which is just a sink or a bowl or something that you got water in that you put ice into. And then you can peel them with absolutely no problems. And then all you do once you pull them out of the hot water is you just stick them right into the cold water. Move them around a little bit. And then what I like to do to make it easier for me is just remove the core. And then the skin will peel right off. And then there's your blanched tomato. All you're doing is just removing skins. And so far that's all I got left. Right there. Out of 2 cases. I've already done all the others. And I'll be making salsa out of all these.